Do you want to put lights on your roof platform? In this video, I'm going to show you how I did it, how I ran the wires, and the mistakes I made to begin with. Let's get into it. When I first installed these, I had them on angle brackets which ran across the top here, and then they extended out to here, came down, and the light was about that far out. The issue I had with that was it was projecting light onto the dash and it was illuminating the whole windscreen with any dirt or dust that was on it. So I had to look into how I could fix that, and what I've done is I've put bolts through the little angle that's here. Yes, they're a bit rusty, but we'll call that rust a locking thread. So I did it just enough, and I made sure the angle underneath sits right, and you can see the frame of the light sits in line with this, so I'm not actually losing any light. Yeah, there's a bit of moisture in there, but it doesn't really matter. So what you want to do is try and get the light as close to the roof as possible to try and stop any reflection that might be going onto your windscreen. Now I'll show you how I run the wiring. I want to run your wiring slightly different, but I put it in corrugated conduit, run it down the side, and I use these double-sided taped cable tie clips, and I upgraded the tape that was on them. So I've just run it down. I can't see it from inside the car, and it goes just under the bonnet. Then under the bonnet, it comes through just here, and then I've put the negative to the body just here, and then I run the cable around the front to a relay over here on the driver's side. Now that relay also controls the little light I have above the number plate. They both come through inside the car. Come to this switch here, which if you watch my video on how to install LED lights, you'll understand what that switch is. I'll leave the link up the top. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Keep watching for the next video.